hand in and out breathing. So coming into standing position, bring both your legs together. Stretch both your hands in front of you at shoulder level, palms touching each other, keeping your neck relaxed. As you inhale, slowly stretch your hands by the side at shoulder level, full expansion in the chest. And as you exhale, start bringing your palms back to the center to touch each other. Again, as you inhale, stretching your hands by the side, observing the movement of your hands. And as you exhale, slowly bringing your hands back to the center. Look at this once again. Breathe in. Breathe out. And release your hands. Relax with legs apart, hands hanging freely by the side of your body. And keep your eyes closed. Hand stretch breathing. So bring both your legs together. Interlock your hands, bring it to your chest. Elbows completely relaxed. Inhale, stretch your hands forward, palms facing outward. Exhale, bringing it back to your chest. Elbows relaxed, neck relaxed. Again, as you inhale, stretch your hands forward. Exhale, bring it back. Elbows relaxed. Again, inhale, stretch your hands forward. Exhale, bringing it back to your chest. We'll do this at 135 degrees. Inhale, stretch your hands up. Exhale, bringing it back to your chest. Elbows relaxed. Again, inhale, stretching your hands to 135. Exhale and back. Continue one more time. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale and back. We'll be doing this at 180 degrees. Inhale, stretch your hands fully up, lengthen. As you exhale, bring your palms to your chest. Once again, elbows relaxed. Continue. Inhale, stretch your hands up. Exhale, bringing it back to your chest. One last time. Inhale, stretch your hands up. Exhale and back. Full exhalation. Again, relaxing your elbows. Release your hands, legs apart, hands hanging freely. You can do this 5 times at 90 degrees, 5 times at 135 and 5 times at 180 degrees. Ankle stretch breathing. For this, bring your legs slightly apart. You can touch the heels of both the legs, coming into a V shape, and place your palms on your thighs. As you inhale, you stretch your leg up, hands going up. And as you exhale, slowly bring your hands down, ankle down. Synchronize the movement with your breathing. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale and bringing it down. Hands down, ankle down. One more time. Inhale, stretching your ankle up. Lift your hands up. And exhale, coming down. And release. You can relax by keeping your legs apart. Hands hanging freely by the side. क्या सोगे क्या?
यार अब काटना.
So I'll be demonstrating some practices for the shoulder. So from here, with your fingers make a cup, bring it to your shoulder. Elbows in front of your chest. In all the practices we'll be doing with awareness, bringing it to the shoulder joint. And keep your eyes closed. Inhale slowly, lifting your shoulders up. Making your movements slow. With your breath, exhale, bringing your elbows to your chest. Continue. Inhale, slowly stretching your hands up, making full rotation. Exhale, elbows to your chest. One last time. Inhale, slowly lift up. Observe the movement. Exhale, bringing your elbows to your chest. And we'll go for anti-clockwise. Inhale, slowly lifting your shoulders. Exhale, bringing your elbows to your chest. Inhale, lift up. Again, keeping your awareness to your shoulder joint. Inhale up. And exhale, bringing your elbows to touch each other and releasing your hands. Practice can be done 10 times in the clockwise direction, 10 times in the anti-clockwise direction. So we look at the shoulder practice here now. So lift your shoulder up, bring it back, down, forward, up, back, down, again forward, up, back, and down. Practicing with awareness. Again from here in the opposite direction, pushing it back, up, forward, down, back, up, forward, down. One more time, back, up, forward, and down. And release. So let us look at a wrist practice here. Stretch both your hands in front of you at shoulder level. Make a fist with your thumb inside. And from here we'll go for rotation of the wrist in any direction that is comfortable for you. We can keep our eyes closed and bring our focus to the wrist joint. You can practice this 10 times in one direction, 10 times in the other direction. Try and make your movements slow and keep your awareness to your joint. Once you are done, you can release your hands and bring your palms down. Keep your eyes closed and completely relax yourself. Now let us look at the practices for the neck. So again, practicing with awareness, synchronizing the movements with your breath, keeping your eyes closed. Inhale, move your neck to the right side. Stretching it as far as you can. And then as you exhale, slowly bringing your neck to the left side. Again, observe the movement. Inhale, moving your neck to the right side. Practicing slowly with awareness. And as you exhale, moving your neck to the left. Let's practice this one more time. Inhale, moving your neck to the right. Exhale, bringing your neck to the left. Just observe the movement. Inhale, come back to center. From here, moving your neck to the right, tilt it to the right without lifting your shoulders. And feel the stretch in your neck muscles. Come back to center, tilting it to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to your right. Inhale, center. Exhale to your left. Inhale, come to center. Let us practice one more time. Inhale and exhale to your right. Inhale, center. Exhale to your left. Inhale, come to center. Now from here, moving your neck up. Stretching and bringing it down. Chin to your chest. Inhale, look up to the ceiling. Exhale, down, chin to your chest. Again, inhale, stretch up. Exhale, down. Inhale, come to center. Now if you have any cervical issues, the next practice we will not be doing. Otherwise, again, it's a very good practice. So bringing your chin to your chest, neck rotation, moving your neck to your right, back, to your left, bringing your chin to your chest. Continue to your right, back, left, and then bringing it down. We'll do it one more time. To your right, left, and coming chin to your chest. In the opposite direction, to your left, back, to your right, down, left, back, right, down, one more time, left, back, right, and down. Coming back to center. Now this practice, neck rotation, preferably do it with your eyes open so that you don't feel any dizziness. Thank you.
For phase 1, observe the abdominal movements. Bring your awareness to the movements of the abdominal muscles, moving up and down as you breathe in and out. Observe the random movement of the abdominal muscles. Do not manipulate the breathing, let it be natural. Simply observe the abdominal movement. And from here, count 5 rounds mentally with 1 inhalation and 1 exhalation, forming 1 round. Now the second phase, associate with the breathing. Synchronize the abdominal movements with the breathing. While inhaling, the abdominal muscles bulging up, and while exhaling, the abdominal muscles sinking down. Practice with the breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Continue this for 5 rounds. Now the third phase, breathing with feeling. As you inhale, the abdominal muscles are coming up. Feel the whole body getting energized and feel the lightness. As you exhale, feel the whole body collapsing, sinking down nicely, releasing all the stress and the tensions completely. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Continue for 5 rounds. Slowly from here, bring your legs together and the hands by the side of your body.
We'll be doing the practice of Ardha Kati Chakrasana. So bringing both your legs together, hands by the side. Inhale, take your right hand up slowly. Stretching your right hand up with the same inhalation, and as you exhale, leaning towards your left side. Allow your left hand to slide down to the left side, feeling a nice stretch on the right side, a compression on the left. Continue to maintain this for 30 seconds to about 1 minute, giving a nice lateral stretch to your spine. From here, inhale, come back to the center. Again, stretch up, and as you exhale, slowly bringing your hands down by the side. Practicing the same on the other side. Inhale, left hand up, fully stretch up, lengthen, and as you exhale, bend to your right side. Again, allowing your right hand to move down to your right leg. Feeling a nice stretch on the left, compression on the right. After 30 seconds or about 1 minute, inhale, you can come back up, and exhale, bringing it down. While you're in the posture, just make sure that you're not holding the breath and you're breathing normally, and release. So we will do Sadanta practice. So it's a cooling pranayam. So sit in any comfortable position. You can sit in crossed leg, Padmasana, half Padmasana or Vajrasana. So keep your eyes closed. From here you clench your teeth, bringing one on top of the other. And from here inhale through the crevices. And exhale through your nose. We'll continue this 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale through your nose. This time when you practice, observe the cool air going in as you inhale and warm air coming out of your nostril as you exhale. So clenching your teeth again. And release. Shitali practice. Again, it's a cooling pranayam. So sit in any comfortable position, crossed leg, Padmasana, half Padmasana or Vajrasana. And from here, roll your tongue like a crow's beak. Breathe in through the gap. Taking your tongue inside, release the air from your nose. You can keep your eyes closed and practice this together. Rolling your tongue, bringing it out. Taking your tongue inside and exhale through your nostrils. One last time. Take your tongue out, roll. Inhale. Tongue inside, exhale through your nostrils. Observe the warm air coming out through your nostrils. And release. Sheetkari practice. Coming into any comfortable seated position. So you can sit in crossed leg. From here, roll your tongue and bring it between your lips. Breathe in through the gaps on the side and breathe out through the nostril. So observe this. We'll practice this 2 more times. Folding your tongue. Breathe in. Breathing out through your nostrils. One last time. Fold your tongue. Observe the cool air going in as you breathe in and warm air coming out as you breathe out. Inhale. Exhale through your nose. Coming into Vajrasana, so you can fold your right leg, fold your left leg and sit in Vajrasana. Now if this is not available to you, you can sit in crossed leg or any comfortable seated position. Preferably in this posture, but otherwise any meditative posture is fine to do for this. Now from here, we'll come into Chin Mudra. So for Chin Mudra, the two fingers, so the thumb and the finger next to it, and then bring it on your thighs. The entire practice, we'll keep our eyes closed, just follow the instruction. Keeping your spine straight, eyes closed. Allowing your breath to settle down. We'll start with Akara. Inhale deeply. Inhale. Last round, inhale. Feel the vibrations. From here, coming into Chinmaya Mudra, folding the balanced fingers. Inhale deeply. Inhale. Inhale. And feel the vibrations. Coming into Adi Mudra from here. Inhale. 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 From here, coming into Brahma Mudra, Akara, Ukara and Makara together. Inhale. You're releasing your hands. Bringing your hands to your heart. Rub your palms nicely. Keep your eyes closed. And cup your eyes, transferring the warmth to your eyes. One more time, rub your palms. And cup your eyes. Slowly with a blink, open your eyes looking at your palms.